Yeah, yeah. Let's see if there's a reaction off the daily order block. But honestly, like this is the order block that with 4 weeks consecutively lower, came back into the imbalance, or this down close. All I'm gonna say is we haven't traded below the weekly open. And it looks like we're going there. So if I'm interested in shorts, I have to see if price can come back here. I don't think there's news today, is there? I'm bearish. If only we had swept this high, London high, then I could look for the breaker entry. Now there's just too many fair value gaps. And at this point, a retracement, this low is significant. Now, believe it or not, that old low is a PD array. So we're gonna need a retracement. That fair value gap is pretty much. Oh, we came into this huge imbalance. It looks very bullish, like potentially bullish, but bearish. We'll see if I have to flip that. I think we expand this weekly candle lower. That's just me though. ES hasn't touched its imbalance yet. The only thing is we've declined in pre-market a little too much. Well, what I don't want something like this. Engineer a low here that I can target at sell side. What's up, Kumar? I'm good, brother. I'm good. I'm trying to catch a win today. I caught a little win yesterday on my combine, but I want to get one on my funded today. So let's see. I'm personally bearish. I know a lot of people are bullish. Eh, I honestly, I can understand both. Um, I'm looking for this weekly candle to flip. Let's see. The thing is, if I'm shorting, it's gonna have to be from up here. I'm only gonna be shorting from a premium. Would you do a long if you get the inversion M15? Not a bad idea. Like a quick scalp, target the imbalance here, but I'll have to see how we react to this order block. A quick scalp long is not a bad idea because I'm not taking a short anywhere unless it's up here. So that would cover if my bias is wrong. And this move lower is just happened so early, 8:15. Had we taken this high, it'd be a little bit of a different story because then there'd be a breaker in here and I could enter off that. This is your bearish order block. They look really strong, yeah. I'm expecting a retracement. So that's what I was saying. Like a retracement long is not a bad idea. We just tapped into the order block. Oh no, we didn't actually. Did we tap in? This I don't have opening prices, but let's see. Yeah, we tapped into the high at least. All right, let's see. 1 minute till open. My target is weekly opening price, so I guess this low. So Monday's low. Yeah, I'll be targeting Monday's low. It's not the easiest market structure, right? Because we're all-time high territory. Like, if it was any other swing high, the bearish would be so simple. But like, This move lower is ridiculous. Go to the 1 minute. Where would I enter longs if I were to? My If we had a market structure shift fair value gap right now, just like this. I was backtesting the other day. This looks exactly the same. Like just pre-market keeps going lower and lower and lower. Okay, it's a nice displacement. I would maybe take a long here. If it from the fair value gap, but it does not look like it. This is tough. Oh, let's see. Strong body. Where would I take profits? I'd look at this fair value gap. I'd look for 50% at least. That's your 50%. Like longing right now is not bad. Entering off this wick. It's because you have to turn beta adjust on. See this thing I'm hovering over right now in the bottom right? You gotta turn that on. So this wick is basically a fair value gap. You could have targeted long. I took the trade on my combine, but I'm not taking this on my over here. Now the question is, how much of a move higher do we need? Kumar. Ham, are you here? Good look at OTE. I told you I took that trade on my combine. I didn't even realize you were here. R doesn't make sense anymore. Am I happy with this long? 1.6 R. Doesn't really make sense. Like the TP spot would be like right here. That's like ideal. 0.62 premium fair value gap. I'll take this scalp. I'll take this scalp. Here's, yeah, I'll take this. I'll take this small scalp. Anticipating the order block to form. It's a very small trade, very low risk, but I'll take this trade. Just a quick 2R small trade. Because it's so small, I'll probably be looking to take another trade. Let's see if it trades back in to the, and then if it can close above now. Can't see anything, bro. Nice rejection off the order block. Shouldn't really go lower now. Yep, should have started expanding higher. Looking at these highs. So again, we're still more interested in shorts, but a long scalp is fine for me. Let's see. So far, not a good reaction. I'll give it like one more chance to close above these down close candles. We're probably gonna get stopped there. Yeah, it's okay. But continue looking for our short. Was that enough? Just this little premium fair value gap? This little 15-minute bearish fair value gap? Shorting from here is like, was that enough manipulation is what I have to ask. Good trade thought. Yeah, very low risk, so it's okay. Still interested in the shorts. The only question is from where. Let's see how we. I wouldn't be surprised if it still plays out. The longs. Like ES wouldn't have stopped us out. We're still in a premium. I mean, still in discount. We could just go a little bit higher. To be fair, I never really win my scalp trades. Getting hot in my room. Too hot here. All right, looks like we just paused. You know the drill. We're gonna mark out 950 macro. Yeah, it's okay. That was very, very low risk. I usually don't risk that little. But I'm happy. I'm always gonna be happy taking a trade like that. Just trying to catch a continuation. I still think it's gonna go a little bit higher. Um, but I'm not gonna re-enter now. What we're focused on is right here. That's our OTE 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see if we can get into there. It's so ugly. Let's just keep the line there. Maybe if we get a SMT here. Let's look at ES OTE. ES is already in a premium. I have to also consider like maybe my bias is wrong. But nah, this just looks like classic New York retracement. The best case for ES is this fair value gap. Sorting from here would be so good. I don't know if it'll go up all the way there. Yeah, same trade on ES wouldn't have stopped us out. Right, we entered on this order block. This was our trade on ES. We took it on NQ, but same trade. Let's see. Just curious if it would play out. When you see an expansion higher, because like now this is the daily profile, right? This is what we have so far. We have this. So either this is gonna happen. That's option one. Option two. Is this. Either or. One of these is gonna happen. And I think it's just the first one. So let's wait and see. We're in a premium. Wrong rejection there. This I might short. This I might short because we have the SMT now. Oh wow. My target is weekly open. Yeah, I mean we're just looking. Ideally, I don't take a short from here, but that's enough manipulation for me, if you ask me. Risk on EX is a little bit better. All right, let's put in the limits. Micros on this one. Target is weekly open right now. I think it's a very nicely in the picture. The short on ES looks kind of better. You can take 2R right there. You have built-in sell side on ES. Inside the fair value gap. No fill just yet. Our entry is pretty high inside the fair value gap, so no fill is possible. I'm gonna fill myself here. All right, let's see. Last trade of the day. I think the stop loss is fine right here. All right, let's see. Hopefully this plays. Targeting this low. My chart is lagging for some reason. My chart is going near that imbalance you marked. Oh, this one. Hopefully, right? Hopefully we do not get the inversion here. That's basically the whole basis of our trade. So far, decent reaction. I don't like how this candle's a body though, not like a wick. So could be a little better reaction, right? We still never went into the OTE, but we caught the SMT, and I'm happy with putting the risk on this trade. We took the weaker asset as well, so far decent reaction. Oh shoot, I never got filled on my combine account. That wick is not that good. Okay, we're filled on both accounts, or all three accounts. Green candle open is not good. Right, if it's gonna go lower, it like kind of should like right now. Let's see, 950 macro is about to play. Let's see if this macro can deliver in our favor, or if what it does is it just retraces all the way. Yeah, it's not a good reaction so far. I put my stop loss at those equal highs. But honestly, if we invert this fair value gap, I'm probably just gonna close the position. So I'll be keeping an eye out at that. It looks like we might inverse, but let's see. Let's see. I actually don't got top step X. So you don't get it. You just gotta click sell, bro. All right, it's 950. Giving the short to stab here. The stop loss is a stop market buy. You right click after above your sell, stop market buy. You can also just close the position when you see it inverse. I'm probably gonna close if it inverses this. Already trading up in the upper half. I'm gonna wait for the candle to close. I'll give it one chance at this order block. Nice little reaction there. I think we'll just keep my stop. We'll just keep the stop there. Let's just see TP or stop loss. 2 minute looks pretty good. 3 minute looks like nothing. ES looks good. All right, 950 to 1010, right? This should deliver. Whether it delivers my stop loss or if we close above that candle, I might look to close early. Yeah, this looks like a loss. I'm gonna give this candle a chance. Yeah, I'm closing my position there. If we invert this, maybe. Oh shoot, I never closed. Give it a sec here. ES is respecting. Two losses for the day. If I take another trade, it'll be like 50% risk. So that was a good trade. It was a little high. I mean, a little low for the shorts, but it's just weird that ES is ES. If we close this fair value gap, I'm gonna go short again because ES is respecting the fair value gap still, and it's weird that now there's SMT here and it doesn't look like we're closing it. If we inverse this, ES is just not going up. This high originally was our OTE. ES still failing to take this high, which is kind of shocking to me. That's two trades we could have taken on ES that would have played out. I'll look for one more opportunity. If we inverse this fair value gap now, that'll be my last trade. I feel like we might inverse. Did we tap into the 15-minute bearish fair value gap? No, not really. I'll wait for inversion for confirmation. Yes, still respecting the fair value gap. If we could create a bearish fair value gap here, if we create a bearish fair value gap, and then to inverse the bullish one, that'll be my last trade. I think I got a little impatient with this trade because we hadn't entered a premium yet, but it was just because 950 was coming, and it gave a nice little fair value gap. So I thought the move was happening right then and there. ES still respecting that move. So see if we can give this one more chance. Looks like the inversion might come here. No inversion. That was a pretty solid wick, actually. Yeah, starting with a body candle, a high body candle. That might be it right there. Nope. I mean, there is a fair value gap there. No inversion. I'm thinking something like this right now. ES is still respecting that fair value gap. I mean, if we get this inversion, I'll give it another try with 5. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it last trade. I'm gonna fill myself here. All right, let's see. Last trade of the day. We're hoping this SMT holds. All right. Let's put on the P&L here. So we're looking at these lows that, wait, ES took this low? I didn't even realize that. Looks like we might get stopped here. Yeah. I should probably close this. I think ES just nope. ES still hasn't taken the high. ES has been respecting this fair value gap for so long. The second I enter shorts, it looks like it's gonna disrespect it. But we'll keep our stop loss there. This is the last trade of the day, 100%. After this, we're gonna walk. If we lose or win, whatever. So we're gonna need a nice rejection right here. It's probably gonna stop us, but no, like it has to close up the whole range. ES is creating a bullish fair value gap. SMT still holds, so we'll hold on to the trade for now. But I think it's gonna stop me out. I think we took some, I don't know. We're gonna have to look back at today for sure, because we got smoked 0-3. Yes, did close up the range, but we got cheated. Yeah, today was tough. This was tough. I did kind of enter a little bit prematurely on the inversion, but the SMT held and ES was like respecting the hell out of this fair value gap. The SMT still holds, but if I'm being honest, they were all really low risk. Yeah, they weren't bad risk. Yeah, I know my risk management's good, but I gotta, I gotta, I gotta, I gotta figure some things out. Dude, our accounts would be blown by now. He's risking 500 per trade. I feel like I kind of just chased it. You know, I didn't let it come to me. Uh, ES took the high. We're probably gonna get stopped out here. I stopped out on my comment. Yeah, we're stopped. You're gonna watch this? Yeah, we're gonna have to like, you know, I wonder if the shorts end up coming, and if they do end up coming from here. But we got smoked there, right? We got smoked. The shorts still make sense. It's not a turtle soup. That's not turtle soup, my hair. Um, maybe just a little impatient there, huh? I should just waited for this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's keep watching. How much did we lose? We lost quite a bit today. 3 trades. Minus 470 on the day. Not the best. Not the best day. I've had better days. Better days. We followed the rules and got stopped out, so that's a win, I guess, isn't it? Yeah, that is true. The first person you do of your prediction for what happens. That wasn't a prediction. This is what I wanted today. This is what I want. The only question is, where does this move happen? So I took the long first here, and by the way, the long played out on ES, so the long wasn't bad. It's just unfortunate I got stopped out on NQ, and then it hit TP. So there's that. The second thing is I took the short here because we had a displacement lower at 950, and I thought that move was gonna start distributing lower. And then that third short was just a re-entry of that move, that because the SMT at the highs still held, and ES was respecting the hell out of this fair value gap. But yeah, those were the trades I took. But like, honestly, if I'm being honest, none of those trades would have been if price came up here. Like, it didn't have to come up here. This is just a fair value gap I marked out. If price did come up here, like this would have been the best. Like this would have been the best trade. Something like this. Like this would have been the if this happens. I'm not saying it's gonna happen. I don't know, but if it does, that would be the best trade. So let's see. I think ES just but we can't trade anymore. Did we do anything wrong? No. I guess I'd have to look back. Like maybe I got impatient there. Honestly, if I'm being honest, like just trading the continuation is I'm not usually good at. Like when I say continuation, see how we went lower? We went lower here. I'm not good at catching a continuation because like every single move I see that's lower, I'm like, oh, this could be the move. So I think I should just make a mental note, like if there's gonna be, if I'm looking to take a continuation trade, then I should like really make it like A plus plus. Otherwise, just don't trade a continuation. So I think that's what I learned. Every time I look to trade continuation, I get smoked. But we learned it's okay. We still have many days. Played against our strength. Yeah, we did. Feel like that move lower is coming. I guess I just couldn't be a part of it. Maybe I don't know. Today was the my biggest losing day of May, I believe, or there might have been one more bigger. Yep, today was the biggest losing day. But we're still alive. Still alive. Let's watch this and see what happens. If it comes off to this high and then from there, with all the executions here. I think I'm gonna add a rule to my continuation model, and that is it needs to be in OTE. And I think that will just that alone will increase my win rate. Yeah, single trade. It's been a tough week, but it's okay. I'm not upset. Um, I'm just journaling. It's just been a tough week, but I'll bounce back. It happens. Everyone has bad weeks, bad months. But I do think I will add that rule to my model. And honestly, it should have already been a rule. I've never really, I haven't, I don't have as much experience trading the continuation versus the reversal. In the end, it's always green. Yes, sir, bro. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it. That's what I need to hear. Um, we're gonna wait. to see if we get the move we wanted from where we said it earlier. Now, something else I also didn't see is this. We took that low on ES and really expanded up, which is, by the way, we took that long. It's just unlucky we got stopped out there. We took the long right here. ES, it's kind of unfortunate, yeah. ES smashed the highs. So ES is in short territory where we wanted to short from the beginning. So let's see. Where would I enter shorts? Like something like this. Something like this would be my short for ES. Not yet. I wouldn't enter yet. I'd enter off the close below. Here, I'll paper trade it for whatever reason. Yeah, that's unlucky. Let's see if it would have played. No close below. No trade yet. I would take the trade here. At risk 250. Realistically, I'd probably wait for a lower low. There hasn't been a lower low yet. I'd wait for the lower low. The market structure shift, whatever, same thing. There's the lower low. I always enter off the first one, the one that will guarantee the entry, or I would put mine at the one that's in discount or premium, like the most recent one in discount or premium, if that makes sense. So, for example, like here, there's a whole bunch of fair value gaps. I'd look at this price range. I'd enter off this one. This is the first one that's in a premium. That's what I do. That's how I backtested it. And I didn't miss out on that many trades, and they played out nicely. So the first premium fair value, I'm not going to enter on this one. It's in a discount. I'm shorting. I'm entering the premium. So there's my answer to you. Looks like it was gonna go higher. I have right, that makes sense. We'll backtest this too. Yep, I found that in my backtest it works really well. Cause but the thing is sometimes there's also the breakaway gap. So something to know, like what you can do is if you see the fair value gap forming and you're really confident, so you know there's one candle, two candle, if you're really confident that the fair value gap's not gonna instantly close, like it's like it's like going up and you don't think it's gonna do this and close up the fair value gap, you can just enter market while it's like forming. And that way, because sometimes a breakaway gap will occur, and which is a good thing for your trade, but not a good thing if you're not in the trade. So let's see if I can find one. So if you're really confident, like that's just something I do sometimes. Uh, Kind of like, for example, like this. Like you see this. Like this isn't the best example, but this is a breakaway gap. Like this fair value gap formed, and it never came back. And then let's just say hypothetically there was another fair value gap right here, like this. You got ticked in there. This one you didn't get filled because it's a breakaway gap. It's not meant to get filled. because you're so bearish. But what you can do is if you see this forming and you're like, oh, I really think this is gonna form, just enter market. Same stuff, right? It doesn't have to come back to the fair value gap to play out. So low, high. All right. Yeah, no. Yeah, I should probably just hop off the charts. Actually, I do want to see what's gonna happen. Got her ass is handed to. That's what happened. I need a win. Got you, brother. I think the patience there. I mean, this setups were good. I guess the main thing there for me was I didn't wait for a premium. So let's see. Let's see, had I been more patient, would things be different? I just want to see. I'm gonna do a lot of back testing today. Do a lot of back testing. Like, wow. So we entered the premium market. Let's just say hypothetically we waited for a premium today, okay? Let's here. Let's go to the paper trading. Let's say we waited for a premium. Let's see. Let's see the trades I would take. I'd wait for this inversion. Now that we're in a premium, I'd wait for the inversion. There's the inversion. I would short this. I do something like this. It's very low risk. So let's just hypothetically say we're brand new into the day. We just got the inversion. Because this is the first setup that formed inside the premium market. So let's test. Let's test. Yep, this setup is better than the other ones I took for sure. I can acknowledge that. Off the inversion. We didn't get filled there. Okay, let's see. This would be the first one I took, and then if I lost this one, I'd look to take a second one with half risk. But let's see. Realistically, usually I wait for a fair value gap to form too. No fair value gap formed, but We also could just be wrong, right? Like maybe today's shorts were just not the play. That's a possibility. For me, that's the best possibility. Right? None of these shorts played, but every single long did. That inversion was kind of weak. You know what? Yeah. This is the only market structure shift that happened. It was just so far in a discount. I should have faded it. Not any other setup gave a market structure shift. Just kept going like this. I think for continuation, my continuation fair value trade, I'm gonna make market structure shift unnecessary. Not like mandatory, because we get inversions all the time. But I think I need a market structure. I need a lower low, you know, to get out of this. Or I do that so bad. To get out of this, I need one lower low to confirm that it could continue lower now. It's a continuation. So if I'm just shorting every time it goes up, I think for a continuation trade, I need the for my reversals. My reversal trades are good. I don't need a market structure shift. I just need an inversion for value gap, anything at a key level SMT. But when I'm trading something like this, I put my stop loss here. No, I wouldn't. I keep it there. Anyway, it's probably gonna stop me out. It should have played already. No fair value gap, no market structure shift. I mean, 2022 model is literally wait for premium market and then market structure shift, fair value gap, higher time frame imbalance. So, like literally, basically at this red line, which I marked out at the beginning of the stream. Maybe I just kind of got feared missing out. You know what it is too? Like when you lose, it makes you want to take another. Like it makes you want to win more bad. Like when I win, I don't need another win. You know, like I don't have that like urge to like get a win. But when you lose, or when you're losing, it's like a cycle of like shittiness. But you listen, I've had win streaks. Um, I've had win streaks that lasted like 2 weeks. So like I know I have it in me. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for the first market structure shift. Yeah, yeah, I know. I know. I know the grass gets greener, you know? You just gotta stay. Keep going. We're almost at that level that we said we were waiting for forever. Yeah, I appreciate you, man. I needed to hear that, to be honest. And by the way, ES was already at that level, so that's why it looks like ES is not trading higher. This is already, which is why I thought that short might play out, but holy shit, what is this? I just gotta worry about the trading, not think about the money. How's your trading going, bro? Are you trading? Are you like full time? Are you learning? Are you? It's gonna be choppy. Yeah, so it looks like it's very choppy. I mean, it's chopping up, so it's still directional. It's still trending. It's just choppy. But I want to see. I've been waiting for this. This is what we marked out at the beginning, right? The first premium fair value gap. The first premium PD array. That's also in OTE. Technically, we tapped into OTE actually, but if you did it like this, then no, you didn't. I like that, man. That's good. Keep it going, man. You trade futures as well, or do you do more forex? It's good, bro. I'm proud of you, man. That's good, bro. That's good. Let's see if this high can get taken. Yeah, forex is good. I trade forex too on the side. Let's look at the forex market actually quickly. Oh, just my GBP USD. I keep taking shorts on GBP and they don't play. They're not playing out. A crazy wick. I, I took a short like this. Oh, did I get stopped out before it played? Yeah. My best forex trade was USD GPY. I caught this long. Okay, we're at the red line. We finally we finally made it to where we initially wanted to take short from, which by the way was also my TP for that long I took. So my initial plan today was take longs until this point and then take shorts. After I got presented with this, I was just confident in the shorts, to be honest. The wick was my even hey, good stuff, bro. I'm like pretty new to forex. I'm like more swing trading forex. Like I'm more interested in swing trading forex right now. I think I'll do some back testing though, because my issue, my biggest issue. So a break below this low, and I'd enter shorts. Um, my biggest issue is I'm right. I'm correct of where price gonna go, but I don't get in on the right move, the right moment, the right trade. That like usually I get stopped out. And I'm only talking about the last couple of weeks, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But yeah, risk management. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if a setup forms. Like I think I need to find a. I think I just need to do some back testing. I think everything is fine. Everything's fine. I'm gonna do some back testing today. Gonna chill. Exactly, Kumar, bro. Exactly. Like that happens to me so often. Almost like half of my losses were because I can show you my journal, but I'm not gonna go through it all right now. But all my losses for the except today. Today was just not a good day. That's 3 and 7. Most of my losses are like it moved and then I didn't get in. Like this one, I stopped myself out and it played out again. This one I lost the first trade because I trailed my stop loss. I got stopped out and then it TP'd. This one again stopped. I moved my stop loss and then it played out. And then when I went for a re-entry, I never got filled. I went for a re-entry and I never got filled, and then it also went to TP. Um, this one I was just wrong. This one I was just wrong about the bias. I got destroyed. And that's it. This one again, I was stopped out and then it played out. Uh, wait, no. Oh yeah, sorry. So I went long right here, stopped me out, and then it just came a little lower, and then played out. Like it just that's almost every single trade that I have in my journal. You know, honestly, like it happened to me so many times. Yeah. See this balanced price range, and this is with the inversion inside the 1 hour. Oh wow, like this order block really played out, huh? Too. Maybe I overthought it. Like below midnight opening, order block, hourly fair value gap. They also just could have been wrong, right? About the move. Yeah, at this point, yeah, no, you're right. I mean, for me, like I'm pretty good when it comes to like not over trading, because I've been there. Like I've had days where I just over trade and then lose all my progress in one day. I've been there already, you know. So Um, for me, like my risk management's good. All those equal highs. Yeah, I'll probably just call it quits. I should look at the forex market, see if there's any potential swing trade candidates. Euro USD on the daily. We inverse this, create our own fair value gap. It looks like that high is going to be taken out. Yep. I'm going to be streaming every day, bro. Every single day. I'm going to be learning a lot. That's for sure. Yeah, I feel like this high will get taken on. Uh, this is an interesting setup as well. New Zealand dollar. Inverted the weekly, expanded daily fair value gap, daily IRL to ERL, 1 hour change in stand delivery. Let me see this. This looks pretty good. Hold on. I would wait for a close above here. They're long like this. That's terrible RR. Did you just call the bottom of this move perfectly? Oh, really? Let me go see. Oh, the order block? Yeah. Yeah, I marked out the order block too. When I entered it long, but I got stopped out. And then it played. Honestly, today was just bad. I just got destroyed today. It's okay. Yeah, he caught that out really nicely too. I didn't really caught it as the bottom, but I did mark out the order block and I did say like let's see if we react off. We did really nicely. Oh yeah, I think I'm done for today though. We're just gonna have to come back stronger tomorrow. Yeah, first thing I did was gonna have to come back stronger tomorrow. As for the, I guess it depends how today closes. Honestly, I'm still pretty bearish. I still feel like something like this is gonna happen for today. But I guess, oh shoot. I guess we'll see how today closes. Hopefully we don't go towards all-time high because then things get a little bit more complicated, but we're done. We're done for today. We're closing the charts. So I journaled today's trade. Now we are down. We have to play comeback. 1 2-hour trade will put us back at break even. 2 2-hour trades and we're in profit. So we're good for now. We're still alive, so that's what matters. Actually, I wonder if this plays out. I'm gonna see one more thing. I just saw it in the corner of my eye. So we were waiting for a setup. See, now at this point, this is in my reversal territory because we took the high, we took ERL. I would take this as a reversal. It's not a continuation anymore. Well, it kind of is, but at this point, we already took out. Yeah, we took out the high, so I'm not gonna trade this. But this is all low resistance liquidity up until this high, I believe, or is it this low? Something like that. I wonder. I'm gonna keep this like this. See if that plays. Anyways, I'm gone for today. I'll record the log video. So every trade I take, I record a video for it, post it on YouTube. So I'm gonna go over those losses. And I will see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. I appreciate you coming, Kumar. Honestly, you made my day, brother. So hopefully success to us tomorrow and wherever. Peace out, brother.